and on we'll go.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what's inside my uni bag. So I will showing you what everything that I need as an English education student. So I hope this video will helpful and of course you enjoy this video. Okay guys, now let's check my uni bag. We can start checks from the biggest compartment. Started guys. The first thing that I need is my bottled water. It's better to us to bring our own water than we must buy the plastics, or because this is can save the plastic. And next is my wallet. There are some cards in my wallet. There are driving license and student card, or this is also my ATM guys. And there is card in my wallet, so there is no money here. The next is in my pouch. There are magic powder by Pond's, and the next is there is brush and lipstick by Makeover, and blush on from Rivera. There is baby oil, mascara. So this is, I think these are important because there are daily needs to compact my blood. Then there are perfume, because there are the bad smells. Then notebook to write what I lecture say, and the planner to study. The next is textbook. This books from our lecture in our study programs. So the first lesson today is an introduction to linguistics. Use good books for our lessons. The next is interpretive listening, because there are 2 lessons today in my class. Okay guys, we check the small compartment in my uni bag. The first things is the most important is my phone. So we don't know what urgent, so you can call me whenever I in my class. The next is charger to charge my phone, and third is headset, and the next is class disk, because there are so many our assignment here, so I think these are important to bring in our college.
Partner, waduh detik. Detik.
Okay guys, I think enough from this video about what's inside my uni bag. I hope you enjoyed this video and
Time
hope
is
this video
barely
will
on our
helpful
side.
and useful for us.
I don't wanna waste what's
Thank you guys.
left.
See you on the next video.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.